Zabalgarbi is a waste-to-energy plant which began operating at full capacity in 2005. Located in Bilbao, Vizcaya, it is one of the most efficient in Europe. Every year it treats 225,000 tons of non-recyclable waste. In its commitment to environmental protection, Zabalgarbi has managed and led from its technical department the project for the replacement of the current bag filter, a part responsible for the neutralization and purification of gases with a more modern and efficient one. The new filter has been designed by Defisa, who has an extensive experience in this type of equipment, and it's manufactured by Recam Laser, a company specializing in metallurgical solutions. This is the most extensive intervention in the plant since its construction, an operation of very high technical complexity that we have directed and executed from Tamoin. We bring our know-how, consolidated over more than 67 years of activity, developed mainly in project execution, plant shutdowns and maintenance. All of this is driven by our team of highly qualified engineers, mechanics, electricians and metallurgists. In a first phase, the different modules that make up the new filter have been pre-assembled and welded outside the building, as due to its large dimensions, it has been necessary to manufacture it in segments. Likewise, and due to accessibility, the roof of the building has had to be completely dismantled, which required the use of 750-ton cranes. This meant that Tamoin's engineering department had to design a temporary reinforcement of the building to ensure its structural integrity when the roof was removed. Once the plant shutdown began, the most delicate phases were, on the one hand, the removal of the old filter, which had to be segmented for its extraction, and the subsequent introduction of the modules that make up the new one, which weighs over 100 tons and is over 20 meters high. The execution of these processes has been led by our site managers, with extensive training and experience in critical maneuvers, previously carrying out exhaustive lifting studies. Once the filter assembly was completed, various electrical, instrumentation and commissioning works were carried out, as well as the assembly of the roof. The work carried out during the shutdown was completed in record time and ahead of schedule. It took only 5 weeks from the beginning of the dismantling of the old filter to the end of the installation of the new one. This was possible thanks to exhaustive planning over many months, as well as an unprecedented coordination effort between Zabalgarbi, Tamoin and Recam Laser. The strong commitment to safety of all those involved has also required reinforced attention, with the installation of lifelines, safety nets, and weekly prevention training for all personnel. In addition, the collaboration of the company TechNest, which like Tamoin belongs to the GTM group, has been key, as it has designed and assembled over 10,000 cubic meters of access solutions and scaffolding, with heights of up to 22 meters and adapting to the geometry of the pavilion and the existing equipment. All with the aim of guaranteeing the highest standards of safety and quality.